Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone to email thread inside of Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so go ahead and open up your Gmail and then find that email thread that you'd like to add someone to. So I'm just going to open up this thread here. Now from here, click onto the three dots where it says more and then click on the option that says forward all. And then at the bottom it will say forward conversation, and now go ahead and add your recipients here. So for this demonstration I want to add test@gmail.com, and now they're going to be added to this email thread inside of Gmail. Now another way to do this is that I'm going to go back to my inbox. Now I'm going to choose a different email here. So I'm just going to do this one from AliExpress. Now at the bottom of the page here it's going to say reply, and then where it says reply, go ahead and click on next to the current email address. I'm just going to add test@gmail.com like so, and they are going to be added to this email thread. Now from this point on, this person will be part of the ongoing email chain.